Today I'm going to be going over 4 AI plugins to help you automatically edit your videos 10 times faster. So if you're a video editor, you make music videos, event recap videos, content for YouTube, Instagram, podcasts, TikToks, you name it. Honestly, any type of video really. You know how long the editing process can be, and it's just so painful to have to repeat the same exact boring setup processes each video project. Trust me, I know this because I too am a video editor. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 4 AI plugins inside of Premiere Pro that will help you edit 10 times faster. And the best part is 2 of them are completely free to try out and test. Without further ado, let's dive straight into it. All right, so the first AI plugin under the AutoEdit suite we're gonna be going over is called AutoEdit Creator Mode. Now, this is the newest AutoEdit plugin, and to access it, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit, and it'll be called AutoEdit Creator Mode, and it'll pop up. This one is completely free to try out and test, and the coolest thing about this is that it uses Claude AI to automatically edit your videos for you. So this is built specifically for content creators. To download it, all you have to do is go to autoeditai.net. Now, this is part of a new website that we're building so that all the other AutoEdit plugins will eventually go there. But for now, there's only the AutoEdit Creator Mode plugin as of May 2026. And all you do is you click Creator Mode, and then it'll take you to this page, and you can literally type in a prompt of how you want your video to be cut. Now, this plugin only works best for videos with talking in them. If you have talking in your footage, you know, you're explaining a concept, maybe you make mistakes, repeats, this works really good. And the cool thing about this is you can literally just type like, you know, cut out all the bad takes, remove all filler words, and cut silences. And then you can go ahead and choose the model size. So this is powered by Claude, so it's either the Haiku, the Sonnet, or the Opus model. And we're just going to do Haiku for the speed of this. And then it will go ahead and literally send your audio to 11 Labs where it'll transcribe it, and then it'll send that transcription to Claude. And then Claude's going to listen to your video and be like, oh, this is a good take, this is a bad take. And the cool thing about it is I use this Claude to understand the topic of the video. So it's not just listening for repeated phrases, but it's actually understanding like, oh, this is a video about video editing. So when he starts talking to his like brother off screen, we should probably cut that part because that's not relevant to anything they're talking about in this video, which is pretty cool. And then once it's done loading, you can basically go ahead and choose like what takes you want to keep and what takes you want to cut. So then that way, if Claude actually messes up, you can just go ahead and manually override and be like, hey, actually, I would keep this part. And then from there, it uses that data to learn and improve the model over time. So the more people that use it and the more that you put your input and feedback, the better it will get at understanding your content. So this AI plugin works really good for YouTube creators, TikTok creators, Instagram creators, LinkedIn, podcasts, whatever you're making content for. This plugin works great for cutting out all the bad takes of your footage. And once it's done, you can see just like that, it cuts out all those bad takes, and then it'll take us to this page so we can manually review. So if Claude messes up, we can go ahead and literally just be like, oh, keep cut. I want to cut this part and so forth. And then once I'm done, I just hit apply all permanent, and boom, just like that, it automatically edits our videos for us.
We're building a new music video editor plugin.
That is crazy. And then of course we can actually go ahead and add captions to it after. So there's a bunch of different styles in here, and you can also make your own styles as well. And this is actually just a really cool add-on feature. It's just a caption applier like any other captions plugin, but it works directly inside of AutoEdit Creator Mode directly right after your Claude edit. That's really cool. The next AI plugin we're going to be going over is the AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin. Now this AI plugin was the first AutoEdit plugin. This is specifically for automatically editing music videos. Now disclaimer, this one is a paid one. You can't download or try this one for free because it's literally just a direct download file. And then what you do for this one is you go to Window, you hit Extensions, you click AutoEdit Music Video Mode, and we actually just pushed a new update of this one. So it actually has a bunch of new visual effects, has a new UI, and also just improved faster loading. So if you download the AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin like a while back, there's a lot of more updates since we first launched it. So this AI plugin requires you to upload all your music video footage. So, you know, first you upload your music track, and then you upload your performance takes. And these are the shots where your artist is performing to the song. This works best when your footage is like a full take of the song. So if this is like a partial take of your music video, it won't work super great because there'll be some gaps, but you go ahead and get a rough cut. Now, we always say this is working best for getting a rough cut. It's not like the final perfect edit. It's just to help you get a structure of your timeline. So from there, you can go ahead and start editing. And then once you upload all your clips, you can just hit continue, and then boom, just like this, it automatically automatically imports everything onto your timeline. You simply right click everything and then you hit synchronize. So then that way it synchronizes everything to the beat, and boom, just like that, it's synchronized. And then you hit next. And then from here, it'll detect the beat of the song and it'll automatically cut between your performance takes for your music videos. So then that way you have a music video rough cut that's cut on the beat. So it detected 93.75 for a BPM. You're just going to hit collapse and variation. And these are just a bunch of other settings regarding to like the style of the music video. And then it'll trim your B-roll. So once you click this button, it will cut out the shaky parts of the beginnings and ends of your B-roll clips. So you know those shots when you're like getting the camera into view and then it's shaky in the beginning and it's smooth for like the middle of the video and then it's shaky at the end while you're cutting it off. This is what it's doing. It's just cutting out all those shaky parts of the B-roll and it's building that quick selects timeline. And then from there, it pulls those B-roll clips and then automatically places them sporadically throughout our music video, and it cuts to the beat and boom, just like this. Look at this. This is one of my favorite parts to watch. Hands are up here. Hands are up here, guys. I'm not even doing anything. The AutoEdit plugin is automatically editing for us. And voila, just like that, we got this crazy music video take. So now we're going to go ahead and we can also apply visual effects. So there's a new tab with AI visual effects, and you can literally choose whatever type of effects types you want, and it will automatically apply those effects to your video. So you just hit apply and then it'll place those effects randomly throughout your video. So that way you don't have to duplicate a bunch of adjustment layers over and over and over again. So this is a really cool one. It's great specifically for music video editing. So if you want to check it out, I've linked down to it below. The next AI plugin in the AutoEdit suite we're going to be going over is called AutoEdit Event Recap Mode. Now this one is an AI plugin specifically for editing event recap videos. It works great for concert recaps like festivals, conventions, and stuff like that. And this one is also a paid one, but don't worry, the last one we're going to be going over is a free to try plugin. So stick to the end of the video. That one's completely free to try, but this one will basically build a rough cut of your event recap videos for you. So, you know, whether you're editing concert videos or conventions, like I said, you can just upload all your raw event footage and then it'll automatically cut to the beat for you and build a timeline for you. So let's just see how it works. You go to extensions and you click auto edit recap mode. Now it works pretty much the same as music video mode. You just go ahead and upload your concert footage. First you upload the music track, then you can actually upload interview clips. So let's say you're editing an event recap video and there's, you know, interview footage, the person is talking to the camera, then you can go ahead and upload those types of clips here as well. So let's go ahead and upload these. And then lastly, you can go ahead and upload your B-roll clips, of course. So these are just the standard B-roll clips. Now, if you don't upload a lot of B-roll clips, it will repeat the footage. So it basically makes the event recap video as long as the entire song length that you've chosen. So if you upload a song that's like super short, it's going to go ahead and repeat those B-roll clips until the song length is covered, just FYI. And then once you upload everything, you hit next to the BPM. This one actually has a cool new BPM mode where you can literally tap to the beat of the song and create the BPM for you. So you can just tap and be like, this is the beat of the song, you know, I'm tapping, and then it'll generate the BPM for you based on you just tapping to the beat, which is really cool, honestly. And if you don't want to use this, you can just, of course, use the automatic BPM detection. That one will work, you know, per normal. Check variation and then hit use BPM. Now it'll place the clips. You can just choose whether you want to put it in order or random. Like if the clips that you selected have to be in order because it's a chronological, you know, shot event, then you can just choose in order. But if it doesn't matter, you can choose random. Now what it's going to do is it's going to build out a rough select timeline for you, and it's just going to start automatically placing those B-roll clips to match the beat of the song, which is really cool, honestly, because as you can see, it's editing right now as I'm playing the video. Look at this. My hands are up here, guys. Hands are up here and it's editing the video, and this is what we're getting so far. Like, it's doing a really good job of just cutting out those first shaky parts of our B-roll clips, and yeah, just built out our timeline really quick for us, so then that way we can get a nice starting point, you know? And then now what we can do is we can go ahead and move on to the interview quote selection. So if you have interview quotes, you can just go ahead and choose how long you want those interview quotes to be. You hit analyze the interview quotes, and then it'll go ahead and, you know, just analyze your videos and listen for the best parts of your quotes. And it works really fast, honestly. Like, it does a really good job of just pulling out the direct quotes from your interviews. And boom, just like that, it automatically selected our best quotes from our interviews. So you can see some of these I would not keep, and some of these I would keep. And whatever I want to keep, I just click it. So I'm like, oh, this is a good quote. You know, this is another good quote we can include in our like documentary style edit. I just select them, and then I just go ahead, and these are some settings regarding to like how you want them to be placed. We hit auto rough cut, and watch this. It builds out our full timeline for us using the actual interview quotes, and voila, now we can go ahead and add VFX. So it actually duck the audio whenever there's an interview quote, and then it'll play some B-roll B-roll over the interview as well. So we got like literally a documentary style edit created just in seconds, which is really cool, honestly. And then lastly, we can go ahead and add some VFX too. So if you want to add like, effects and shakes and stuff like that, you can just hit apply the selected effects, and then it'll apply some effects to your timeline automatically for you. And this will just basically make, a bunch of cool transitions and just like stuff like this, which is really cool, honestly, that we can get this done in like literally just a click of a button. Moving on to the last AI plugin of the AutoEdit suite is the B-Roll Selector plugin. Now, this is a really standalone, smaller subset plugin. It's really just good for cutting out those shaky parts of your B-roll. So if you're somebody who has a lot of raw B-roll footage from your events, you know how long it can take to edit and cut out all those shaky parts for your videos. So that's why this AI plugin will cut out all those shaky parts for you. So you can go ahead and go to extensions, you click B-Roll Selector plugin. Now this one works super easy. You just go ahead and click import B-roll. You can choose your B-roll clips, like however many clips you want to upload, and then you just choose how much shakiness removal you want to remove. So I want my clips to be, very smooth, so I'll set it to high, and then we'll trim the shaky edges. So this is basically like the beginnings and ends. Let's cut an extra 1 second off the ends. And then we hit select B-roll, and then it'll go ahead and load, and then it'll generate a full timeline of our B-roll quick selects for us. And once it's done loading, it'll put all of our B-roll clips in a sequence timeline just like this. So then that way we can go ahead and start editing from this sequence timeline without having to cut off all those shaky and blurry parts off the ends of our B-roll clips. This one is completely free to try out and test. So if you want to download it, I've linked down to it down below in the description. All 4 AI plugins are linked in the description of this video, by the way. The 2 free ones to try are the Creator Mode plugin and the B-Roll Selector plugin. The AutoEdit Music Video and Event Recap Mode plugin are currently paid ones. Now, FYI, as I said, as of May 2026, the only AI plugin hosted on our new website called AutoEditAI.net is the Creator Mode plugin. And this one is eventually going to be like the all-in-one suite. And we're going to merge all of our plugins, hopefully soon one day, into just one giant plugin. So you could just click like, I want to edit a music video, or I want to edit event recap video, or I want to edit a wedding video, or whatever. And there'll be a plugin mode for that. So that's honestly my total vision for the AutoEdit suite. We're going to be releasing a bunch of new updates for all these plugins. But for now, you can download each of these plugins separately. The AutoEdit Creator Mode plugins on AutoEditAI.net, and all the other plugins that we have are on our original website, 11%.net. So if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. If you need help with billing or file deliveries or just troubleshooting with the plugin, we have this email, team@11%.net, where you can basically just reach out to us for any questions. Other than that, let me know if you have any feature requests. Now, if you want to learn how to actually get more clients and shoot event recap videos or music videos as a videographer or video editor, you can check out this video linked right here.